Hello and welcome to Asif Umer Science channel, where science becomes super fun and learning at the same time.
I'm Asif Umer. Welcome to Asif Umer Science channel. Our today's activity is blowing bottle. In this activity, we are going to learn about oxidation and reduction reactions, and we also going to learn about rates of chemical reaction. For this, required things are 600 ml water, spatula, 16 gram potassium hydroxide, 20 gram glucose, and few drops of methylene blue indicator, conical flask with stopper. First step is I am going to add potassium hydroxide in a 600 ml of water. Potassium hydroxide completely dissolved in water. Now I am going to add glucose in the solution. Potassium hydroxide and glucose dissolved in water. Now I am going to pour all the solution in a conical flask with the help of glass funnel. Going to add few drops of methylene blue. Inserting the cork. Our blue bottle solution is ready. Don't try this activity at home. Now if I will shake the bottle, the color will turn blue.
In this experiment, methylene blue oxidized by glucose. Shaking solution increased the concentration of oxygen in the mixture and oxidized methylene blue back to its blue form.
Oxidation and reduction reaction and the rates of chemical reaction.